Hi Internet friends, this is Tim Schrock. I want to bring you a bonus tip about technology. This is a tip I use about an app I use called Hover. If you have not used this before, here's my iPhone. I'm pretty sure they have an Android app. So I started yesterday, 4 o'clock, I started a new project, and it's really, really cool. I took about 12 pictures for this one because it was such an awkward, it was very awkward to get the whole side of the house because of the neighbors in the garage. But you can see here that I have this 3D model available that I can share with my clients. I have let's go to the screen here. I have a 30-page PDF document with measurements around the exterior. Now these are fairly close. It's nice because in this case I'm working in this area right here. So I didn't have to go and measure all of this to get my context. Okay. Let's scroll through some of these pages. It gives you siding square foot numbers, gives you elevations, which is really nice to help with some numbers here, right? As you go around this, for $50, I got all of this detail here. Now, if I know some exterior contractors who use this, and that's what they use to create their, this is what they use to create their estimates from. Here's all the ridges and valleys, lengths of those, the pitch. Look at this, pitch, 912, 712, and 1112. There you go, 1412 on this one, 11, 11. Like, you can't, here's the pictures I took, right? You can't beat that. I took 12, 14 pictures. There you go, on the exterior. Oh, yes, I also have this 3D. When I log into my dashboard here, this is what it is. There's the pictures. I can see the measurements. I can export those. I can share this 3D view. There we go. I can see, the front view, left view, etc. You can design it, throwing different shingles on there, different siding colors, whatever you'd like. Share this, to Twitter, Facebook, share it with a friend. Great stuff. Check it out, hover.to. At this point, I don't make any money off of this. It's not like an affiliate fee or anything, but check it out, hover.to. If there is an affiliate fee, man, I got to look that up. Anyway, take care. Have a great day.